Hi, welcome to Lathu's Kitchen. Here is a recipe: spinach baked cheesy rice. This it can be made for any kitty party, or even if you feel like eating some Italian. Then here is a healthy choice for you. Instead, maida base goes in. You can might as well add spinach cooked rice and top it with some wonderful veggies based sauce and bake it with the mozzarella cheese on top. It is definitely a winner for during your party if you make this, or even generally if you want to have something Italian, then definitely do try this recipe. Let's get started how to make this recipe. First, you need to cook your basmati rice, or you can use might as well leftover rice. I'm blanching the spinach along with some green chili and then leave it on the counter. In the meanwhile, take a pan, add some butter, garlic, and add in your veggies, preferable exotic veggies. I'm adding here broccoli, carrots, purple cabbage, and some capsicum. You can as well add some mushrooms, baby corns, French beans, etc. Mixed herbs goes, oregano also do well, some chili flakes. All that you need to saute well. Veggies need to cook 50%, not more than that. Once this is done, keep this aside. Now let's make the sauce, white sauce. For that, keep a pan, add some more butter, and a tablespoon of I'm using here multigrain flour. Typically maida is used here. Some full fat milk. Mix well before it forms a lump, and then add in some mixed herb and red chili flakes, and good amount of cheese goes in here as well. All that, give it a good mix. Then once it thickens, then you need to add this to the vegetable that we have already cooked a little bit, and then cook it more for 5 minutes and then keep that aside. Now to make the spinach rice, in a pan I'm adding olive oil. You can as well add some butter, finely chopped garlic, chili flakes goes in again, some salt, and the pureed spinach and the rice. This cook it as in gently mix it, and then keep it aside, because the spinach are already blanched. We are not going to overcook it, then we might miss out this vibrant green color. Just gently saute this and then keep it aside. Anyways, this will get baked, so not to worry. Keep this aside. Now it's time to assemble everything and then bake it. Here is your vegetable based sauce is ready, white sauce, and spinach rice is ready. Let's assemble. I'm using silver container. You can use a glass container, which is oven friendly or microwave friendly. First, layer the spinach rice on top, add in your vegetable cheesy white sauce. Layer by layer as well you can do. Since I'm making a limited quantity, just a layer of spinach rice on top, the cheesy vegetable sauce on top, mozzarella cheese goes in. You can as well grate the cheese. I'm adding this way. Once this is done, meanwhile preheat the oven 180 degree to for 10 minutes. This is the setting for my oven. I'm using Bajaj oven. Each oven varies, so accordingly you need to keep your settings. My oven cooks 180 degree for half an hour. Once this is done, keep your plate and cook it for 30 minutes. If you still feel the top is not brown, the cheese is not melted, you may cook it for more, 20 minutes or 10 minutes. Again, like I said, depends on the oven to oven. For me it took 25 minutes. Here is your spinach cheesy baked rice is ready. Excellent. This we have tasted this. I made this for the first time. My little one already have tasted this, but I made it for the first time at home. We just loved it. My entire family loved it, so I would be making this again and again, since it is a super hit. in our family. So do try. It will be a winner during your kids party. Chilies you need to alter according to your kids intake, or if you like more spice, you might increase. It's totally up to your choice, the chili and the cheese, amount of cheese goes in. Otherwise, it's a very excellent dish to try. Definitely give it a try once and do let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you've still not subscribed us, do subscribe.